Today I'm going to show you how to customize quick access toolbar on Microsoft Word. Hello everyone.
Hi.
My name is Hashim Ya'u Hashi. Today I'm going to show you how to customize quick access toolbar on Microsoft Word.
Very good. You can now proceed.
Where is quick access toolbar?
Okay, where is it now?
It's here. I want to remove some items.
Okay.
I'll click on file.
Okay, very good. You click on file.
Click on options.
Okay.
Click on quick access toolbar.
Okay.
I will remove some items. I will remove point color.
Okay.
Point size.
Okay.
Email.
Okay.
I will put new ones.
Okay. What and what do you want to add there?
Point.
Okay. What next you want to add?
Center.
Okay. Very good. And what do you want to add again?
Undo.
Very good.
I click on OK.
Okay.
You see them that have come here.
Okay, where? Let me see them.
On.
Okay, very good, very good. This is very nice. What's your name again?
Hashim Ya'u Hashi.
Al Mustafa, do you want to customize the ribbon? That's very nice.